Are you thinking about enhancing your home with James Hardie siding? It's a fantastic choice for durability and beauty, but there's a catch. The key to unlocking its full potential lies all in the installation. Stick around as we reveal why expert installation isn't just beneficial, but essential. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors. Today we're not just talking about why James Hardie siding is a top choice for homeowners. We're diving into the critical role of professional insulation and ensuring your siding serves you well for years to come. So let's get started. Installing James Hardie siding starts long before the first panel is hung. It begins with meticulous preparation of your home's exterior walls. Ensuring a moisture-free and stable base, addressing any structural repairs, and setting up a protective barrier are all critical steps. This foundation work is vital. It prevents future issues like mold growth and ensures your siding adheres flawlessly, offering unmatched durability and a pristine look. Next, let's talk about the art and science of measuring and cutting James Hardie siding. The goal? Seamless alignment and a perfect appearance. Precision here avoids wastage of materials and ensures each piece fits perfectly, leaving no rooms for gaps or overlaps. This attention to detail extends to choosing the right tools, ensuring cuts are clean and panels are unblemished, so that your James Hardie is ready to form a cohesive, visually appealing exterior. Nailing isn't just about attaching siding to the wall. It's about securing your home's armor against the elements. The correct nailing technique, using specific corrosion-resistant nails, ensures panels are firmly in place yet have the flexibility to adapt to temperature changes without cracking or buckling. And if you want more information on why fiber cement siding might be cracking, check out the video we just did up above. Effective moisture management is super important, and this is where flashing and caulking come into play. Properly installed flashing directs water away from vulnerable areas, while strategic caulking seals against leaks. However, it's a fine balance. Too much caulk can trap moisture, and too little can leave gaps, which creates opportunities for moisture to get into your walls, causing rot or mold. James Hardie's installation guidelines are the blueprint to success. These guidelines cover everything from how to store siding panels before installation to the correct way to fasten and finish them. Adhering to these recommendations is non-negotiable for ensuring your siding's performance and maintaining its warranty. Curious to learn more about ensuring your James Hardie siding is installed with precision and care? Dive into our educational resources for homeowners. Discover guides, tips, and all you need to know to navigate your siding project with confidence. Thank you so much for joining us today. Remember, the secret to long-lasting, beautiful siding lies in professional installation. And make sure to use the topics we talked about today as conversation starters for your James Hardie installers to make sure that they are using the right materials and installing your siding correctly. For more insights into enhancing your home's exterior, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.